This is another piece for the cap supports. This goes on top of the cap supports and helps support the bottom of the floor. See, down here is rusted enough. I didn't want to keep it. So right here across this red line is where it actually bends. So this piece was bent up. So I bent the piece flat so I can lay it down there and trace it out. Get a nice copy of it. Down there to line it up. Just going to use a pick, sharp end there, scribe it on. We're cutting out the new piece. It's on a piece of 16 gauge steel. We'll be using a jigsaw to cut it out, and it's, of course, you use a fine tooth blade for metals. And most important, safety goggles. You do not want to have to go to the eye doctor. I did once already. I don't want to go again. Alright, let's see how we did here. Okay. Top each other. Not bad. Good to go. Alright, well, here's my first handmade panel. I've never made one before. I've never done metal panel replacement before. I've done painting and plastic work and all the other stuff. This is my first go at this, so I'm happy with the results. Alright, now we got the panel welded in there, so now we're going to move on to dressing the welds, covering that with some zero rust, and then move on to the floor. We're actually probably going to do the floor measurements first, then paint it, then move on to the floor. Catch you then. Alright, we've got the floor support welded in, and all the welds are taken care of, grounded smooth. The floor panel is going to be sitting on top of here, so we want that nice and smooth. Just got some wax and grease remover, and clean up the panel and give it a spray of weld-through primer, because we will be welding in certain areas with the new floor pan inside there. Just a quick wipe. Get a little SEM copper weld, copper and zinc enriched, and apply.